Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gabrieles Miss. Hello my soapers. Now I will be doing an unboxing of, oh my god, I win, I can't believe it, but I win. Glenda, Beautiful Soaps by Glenda channel was doing a giveaway, and all you have to do was, people, we take a lot of time making our videos and filling the description box with all the information we have for you guys, and no one sometimes people don't even take a moment to check that box that have very important information sometimes. And Glenda did this giveaway, but you need to check her description box. In there was the giveaway in one of her videos. She was just doing a simple question, and you just need to ask the question in the comments. So I did, and two other people also did the same. Read the description box, the information box, and they answered her question. So simple. Okay, so she did the video, and I was like, well, I always watch every soaper's video that I love. So I was watching, and I hear my name. I was like freezing, and I hear my company name, yeah, GabrielesMistSoapery. And I was like, what? And I replayed the video. What? And I replayed the video. What? I win. And here is my prize. Thank you so much, Glenda. I will be doing now the unboxing and showing what you sent me. This is very nice packaging, as you can see. Oh, how pretty. Oh my god, I already smell it. Wow. I can smell it from high. I am tall. Oh my god, smell great. This package smells great. Look how she packaged this, how pretty. Oh, she do a lot of crafting, so this is very nice. Very, very nice. I will not break anything of this. I will cut the label, but I will not break it. Not the label, the tape. I refuse to break it. I know. But it's easy to take out. You can see. How pretty. Okay. Nice. It's so cute. Wow. This is a nice way to package soap. Thank you. It's so cute. Oh my god. I get the feeling of the gift. Oh, pretty. Picture. White picture. Oh, how awesome. Okay. So she sent me, I win 6 of her bars, and they are huge, people. They are huge. And I am glad that she already selling her soaps. She already have a store So I will link her store in the description, in the information down below in the description box, so you guys can go and see her creations. Look how beautiful is this. Don't move, stay there. This is very nice. Steady night. This is very nice. Steady night. This is a work of art. For real, she have a patience to do this. Oh my god, this is very beautiful. Here you can go and visit her. Okay, here you can go and visit her Facebook page and see her work there. Oh, this one is moving, but it's okay. Stay there. Okay, let me see if I can get the label out. Oh yeah. Oh yes, so you can see her beautiful work, because this is art, people. This is art. Look at okay, don't move. again. This was like this, maybe. I don't know how was this. Move, I don't know. Okay, stay there. Look at her work. How pretty. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Some of the embeds are a little loose, but that's okay, because I love it. Stay there. Okay, now stay there, don't move. This is very nice. That is beautiful, gorgeous. This one is strawberries. This is a huge bar, very big bar. These are handmade strawberries. No more using them. She did this by herself. This smell awesome, smell great. It does smell like strawberries. Very nice. This one is lavender. And it does have some beautiful pearls in the top. It's a beautiful lilac color, very nice. Smell like lavender. Very nice, beautiful, great job, like Glenda. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I am thrilled to have a Galaxy soap. At least I have a Galaxy soap. Thank you. This is her Galaxy soap. I need to make myself a Galaxy soap for my collection. Wow. I love the smell. Smell really nice. Guys, when you see this, it looks so real. Look at those embeds. They look so real. Wow. Look how pretty. On the top. This is very beautiful. Very beautiful, and the smell is wonderful. Very nice. This one is Dreamsicle. Oh, look how pretty. That is so beautiful. Dreamsicle. Oh, nice. Very creamy. Ah, wow. Smell of Dreamsicle. Like orangey, citrusy. Yeah, citrusy, sweet or smell. Citrusy, orangey smell. I love it. And flower pot. This is beautiful, guys. You will see this. Look what she did. If I can take the label out without damaging the soap, because it's so beautiful. Oh my god, this is art. Look what she did. This is a flower. The pot. Then you have the how you call it, the branch, and the leaves, and the flower. This is beautiful, and I get to have one. Oh my god, the smell is floral, very floral. It's not strong, but it's great. Because I don't get a headache with I get headaches with strong flower, strong floral scents, and this is not strong at all. It's a light floral scent. Very nice, very nice. Look at the top, and I love her work of art. It's beautiful, and I am blessed that I win that giveaway. Thank you so much, Glenda. I am happy, blessed again for this. We'll take pictures, more pictures. I'm trying to put this back. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to go and visit and support Glenda. She's a nice person. She is also Hispanic like me, and yeah, I love her work of art. She do amazing stuff, and now she have a store. Go visit her and support her. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Blessings. Love you all.